coffee. I'll be right back. Y'all invite somebody. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Like and share this video. Come on guys, share this video. Hey. Like and share this video, baby. Look at Cash. I can't never, he will always want to be in my video. He always want to be in my video. All right, guys, what's up? Y'all like and share this video, guys. Look, Cash always got to be in the video, okay? I cannot do a Zoom. I can't do a live. I can't do nothing. It's like a big baby. Like, he has to be on the scene with the gangster lean. But like and share this video, guys. Listen, I want to just jump on real quick, guys, and say, listen, one stream of income, listen, that ain't gonna get it. Hey, Kima, what's up, cuz? That is not going to get it, okay? Having one stream, having multiple streams of income is no longer is a luxury. We used to think people with multiple streams of income, oh, that's just a luxury. No, that is a necessity right now, okay? You must have more than one way. If you got more than one bill, right, then I need you to put, I need more than one way in the comment box. Like, for real. If you got more than one bill, you need multiple ways, okay? If you got multiple bills, you need multiple ways to pay your bills. You need multiple ways to earn income. And so that is what I wanted to talk about tonight, okay? That's what I want to talk about tonight. I already know that you make more money than you already can spend. I know that. I already know that, okay? So if that's you and you already make enough money and you don't need no money and you make enough money and you content and, you know, you good, you don't have to watch this live, okay? You can just keep it moving, okay? You can keep it moving. That's okay. That's okay. But I want to talk to the people that understand that having more than one income is a necessity. That it's okay to earn an additional, you know, $500, $1,000 extra a week. It's okay to do that. And if you're okay with adding some extra, okay, to your income, put extra in the comment box and then like and share this video with a few more people so they can get some extra, okay? Yes, Lisette. Yes, it is a necessity. Like and share this video with some more people so that they can know that they can now tap in to multiple streams of income. All right, that's hit my belly. 30. They can tap into that multiple streams of income. And so this is one of the things I want to talk about. Right now, this world is on a health scare. This world is on a health scare. So if you're not taking a daily vitamin, if your kid's not taking a daily vitamin, then you really don't care about your health. Okay? You really don't care about your health, and you need to be taking the Valet 30. Okay? This is one of my favorite products right here, guys. And so that product is life-changing. Okay? So now, I want to talk about having more than one way to earn money. What do you know how to do? We in a digital society right now. Digital income is being made on the internet every single day. You don't even have to go to the gym anymore. People have online workouts, okay? You don't have to go to the gym anymore. People have online workouts. And so I want to encourage you to get you some extra income. You know, one of the ways that I earn money is I write books. Writing books is another way that I earn money, okay? And one of my books is Manifest Money Now. Let me go get it so you can see it. One of my books is Manifest Money Now. And this is a stream of income, okay? This is more than one way that I'm earning money, okay? This is more than one way that I'm earning money. I got the Taba products. I got the Valet is one way. I got the coffee, that's one way. I got the pills, that's one way. I got the tea, that's one way. I got my books, that's one way. And then tomorrow, I'm having a live class on the ebook, on how to create your own ebook. And so if you're watching me right now and you have something inside of your mind that you know how to do, right? You know how to do it. You done it. And you can tell somebody else how to do it. Why don't you have an ebook? Why don't you have an ebook? Why aren't you sharing with people something that you know how to do? Because people are buying that every single day. People go to Google and YouTube every day and they type in how to sell a car, how to buy a house, how to start a cleaning service, how to. Google is full of how to. So if you're watching me right now, what is it, a how to that you know how to do? Type it in the comment box. Type in the comment box. What is it you know how to do? Why haven't you wrote an ebook on how to clean your house? How to, discipline your child without whooping them? How to teach your kids the ABCs? How to get a husband? How to buy a car? How to buy a house? You got first-time home buyers that say how to buy a house. So if you done bought a house before, then guess what? You qualified to share with somebody how to do it. Type it in. I don't know. What is it that you know how to do? I know you watching me right now. Just don't watch me talk back. Okay? What is it that you know how to do? How to do nails. You could write an ebook on how to do nails. Some people can't afford to go to college. Some people can't afford to go to, they want to be able to just go buy the equipment and start doing it right now. So you could have an ebook. You could have an ebook on how to do nails. Do a 10-page, how many steps is it to do nails? The tools you may need. Put the steps into an ebook and sell the ebook online. If the world shut down again when Biden get in office, you're going to need a way to make money online. You're not going to be doing nails. So how would you make money? You could be telling people how to do it. How to start your website. Yes, Lisette. People type that in the Google all the time. How to start a website. You could have an ebook saying how to start a website. Sell the ebook, $19.99. Okay? And when people right now get them a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell their ebook. That's all you would have to do. Okay? That's all you would have to do. If you sold an ebook right now and you sold 50 of them, you made $1,000. And it don't cost you nothing to write an ebook. If you got a Word document, right? You got PowerPoint, write it. Make it an ebook. That's an ebook. Hello, that's an ebook. Put you some pictures, write you some words. Get a little file so it can be a digital download. When people pay you for it, you can send it straight to them. If you got a laptop, you can do it. And that's why it's called Think and Grow Rich. Somebody type that in the comment box. Think and Grow Rich. It's not called Work and Grow Rich or Work and Get Rich. It's called Think and Grow Rich. God has given you certain skills and gifts and talents that you can put in a book form. And people walking around their phones reading how to do stuff all the time. Why aren't they reading your how-to book? Come on, guys. And so I just want to jump on and just drop that inside of your brain for today, that it's called Think and Grow Rich. And so whatever you're doing, it's an easier way to do it, okay? It's easy. It's easy. It's real easy. It's real easy, okay, to make money out here. It's real easy to create multiple streams of income. Okay, and did you know you can sell this ebook on Amazon? You can sell this ebook in your iBook store. If you got Apple iPhone, you can sell it on the Apple iPhone. Hello, you can sell it on any place with book, Nook Books. What is it? Goodreads, Scribe, or all sites where you can do digital book downloads, Kindle books. All of these sites that you could have your how-to book on and getting paid on this ebook that didn't cost you anything to create, because you had a laptop with a Word document or any other app that's out there. And so listen, I'm going to share with you tomorrow how to do it, okay? I'm going to do it live, okay? I'm going to create an ebook live on tomorrow, okay? I'm going to show you how to upload it to Amazon. I'm going to show you how to get it on iBooks. I'm going to show you how to get it on Google Play Store. I'm going to show you how, okay, to do it in class tomorrow. Okay, so I had 50 slots. I only have, let me see. It's 18 more left. It's 18 more left. I had 50. I paid for 50 spots, so I have 18 more left. And so you can join the ebook class tomorrow. Okay. If you can't make it tomorrow, you can go ahead and pay, because the actual replay, the actual class is $35. Okay, it's $35 to be in class. Okay, $35 to be in class. The replay will be $59. Okay, so if you miss it and you got to get the replay, it's going to be $59. But if you go ahead and pay for it now, then you can still get it for $35. If you can't make it tomorrow at 8 o'clock, all you have to do is cash out me. You deserve to win. I will send you inbox me your email, and I will send you the link for the live class, okay? All you need is your laptop. All you need to know is what you know how to do, okay? Y'all like and share this video with somebody that know they need some money, they got a laptop, and they sitting at home like, what I'm gonna do? They probably got a college degree. They probably done went to school for something, okay? And they're not working right now, but they know how to do something. They got a master's degree in something. Even if you ain't been to school, you probably got a master's degree of going through some BS. Okay, you've overcome that BS. You probably got a master's degree on something. Okay, how to get over something, how to drive a car, how to tie your shoe. I don't know. You know, the things I know. I do Airbnb. I did an Airbnb ebook. Okay, Money Magnet Airbnb. My Airbnb stay booked. Okay, my Airbnb stay booked. So I said, guess what? I'm gonna do Money Magnet Airbnb. Because I know people got Airbnbs, but they can't get them booked. What are they doing wrong? Let me help them. Let me create an Airbnb ebook. And I sell my Airbnb ebook, okay? So it's called Think and Grow Rich. It's something that you know how to do, okay? And so all you got to do is bring your brain, bring your laptop, okay? And be ready to create your ebook. So you can cash at me. You deserve to win, okay? You deserve to win. Inbox me your email address so I can send you the link for the live class. All right, guys? And I look forward to helping you create another stream of income. All right? All right, guys. Like and share this video, and I'll see you in the master class. Bye-bye for now.